Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. It is your girl Precious RGK, and today I want to teach you how to prepare an extreme hair growth protein treatment. This protein treatment is super effective, guys. Very effective because you're going to be using just natural ingredients. You're going to be using your clove, rosemary, egg, and extra olive oil. So as you can see, I just measure one tablespoon of clove and 1 tablespoon of rosemary in my blender, and I'll go ahead and blend it dry as you can see me doing in this video. So I'm just blending it dry, and after blending it, I'll put it in a plate, pour it in a plate. I have cover, then mix my oil with it, my extra virgin olive oil. Then I'll leave it in a corner for 3 days. This is it. I have finished blending it now. So at this point, I'll just go about and pour it in this plate. You're seeing this plate has a cover. So, and after pouring it, I'll just mix it with my oil, my extra virgin olive oil, guys. So I'll just, and after pouring it, after mixing it, I'll leave it for 3 days. The reason I'm leaving it for 3 days is because I want the clove and the rosemary to infuse in my oil. So guys, please make sure you leave it for 3 days because oil tends to infuse very slow. So leave it for 3 days so that everything can infuse in the oil. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video because your like will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people, to make this video to go viral, thereby giving me more subscribers. And also guys, if you're a return subscriber, thank you very much for coming to watch my video. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all the shares. Thank you. Remember, I'm super grateful. So I'll just leave it in this corner and I will allow it to stay there for 3 days. And this is at the end of 3 days, guys. You can see my oil has changed color. It look darker in color now. So after this, I'll just go ahead and filter it. So this is it. I'm already filtering it, guys. The reason I'm filtering it is because I want to separate the shaft from the oil, because this is only the oil we need. After all the ingredients have infused in our oil. So I'll just go ahead and sieve it, just as you can see me doing on this video. Guys, once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel. Please don't leave without subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Please guys, also like this video and share this video, for your like will make this video to go viral. So at this point, I'm using lemon orange. Why I'm using this lemon orange is because I want the protein treatment, to be a bit thicker. So that is why I'm using lemon orange. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to prepare this protein treatment. So this is it. This is my lemon. I'll just remove the seed and I'll bring in my egg. So I'll just break my egg, and after breaking, use everything. You're going to use everything. There's no need to separate the yolk from the whites. You need everything. So I'll just break my egg, then add my 1 tablespoon of lemon in my egg, and also add my oil. Then I'll go ahead and start whisking it using my hand mixer. You can use a blender for this part also, guys. You can use a blender to mix it. So I'm already mixing it. I don't want it to be very thick, guys. If you want it to be thicker, then you need more oil and more lemon juice. So once again, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it, because your like means so much to me, to make YouTube to recommend this video to more people. So I'm adding more oil in it because I don't like the consistency. I want it to be a bit thicker. So I add more oil to it, and I go ahead to mix everything together. So I just mix it, just continue mixing it until I'm satisfied that everything is properly mixed together. So guys, this is it. I just go ahead and mix, and after mixing it, I'll pour it in a container. Guys, if you make your own to be very very thick, you can use it as cream like that, but I will make mine to be watery. I don't want it to be very 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 thick, so I'll pour it in a container, in a bottle, then I'll use it. I'll apply it on my daughter hair. This protein treatment should be done twice a month or once a month on your hair. So this is it. I'm already pouring it. I'll just go about cover it, then apply it on my daughter hair. When applying it on the hair, you section the hair into different parts, however you want it. Then you twist it whichever way you want to do it, but you make sure you give it a very good massage it very well, so that the whole treatment will properly be massaged in the hair. So this is it. I'm already massaging it. Make sure you apply it on the hair generously to get the best results from it. So this is it. I'm massaging it, and after massaging, I'll just go about twist it. So guys, once again, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me well to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please make sure you give me a like, share this video. For your like we made this video to grow viral. It will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people. It will give me more subscribers. More people will see these videos and I'll get more views. So thank you very much for supporting me, and if you're a return subscriber, thank you very very much. I'm very very grateful. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. So at this stage, I have finished applying the whole treatment on the hair, so I'll just go back and cover it with shampoo and leave it for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I will wash it using my shampoo. Guys, please, when washing it, don't use hot water to wash it because of the egg, so that the egg will not fry it on your hair. So make sure you use cold water to wash it. Don't use hot water, and make sure you wash it very very well, so that your hair will not smell. So thank you very much for coming to watch my video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. I'm super grateful, guys.